I'll start by saying more than ever, we're getting more and more questions about how to go battery powered, how to navigate that process. And what we're doing here is, of course, showing all these options, but we're also breaking it down into dollars and cents. And we've got a really easy to use application on our website, which actually shows it. The first question is, how many gallons of gas do you use a day on a typical day? The other question is, how much are you paying for gas? It's quite a variable number. We're based in California, so our number is very different from other parts of the country. So you enter that number, and then enter how much you're spending on maintenance each year. And what the app will show is just what your savings could be over the course of a year and over the course of multi-years. And it's really interesting. And again, we're getting very specific questions at this show, and this is a measure to answer some of those hard questions and just to see what's in it for someone who does go to battery powered. Our XGT system is our handheld system. That's powered by a 40-volt battery, and it's all about replacing tools and equipment powered by cords and gasoline. And our system includes drills and impact drivers, of course, grinders, but it also includes equipment that was formerly powered by gas. And down the way there, we have our 14-inch power cutter. Now, a 14-inch power cutter has traditionally been powered by gasoline. This is a battery-powered 14-inch power cutter that has the power of a 75cc power cutter. And we know that because we used to make gas power cutters. Makita stopped making gas equipment about 1.5 years ago. So this power cutter here that we're running at Equip Expo is delivering the performance of gas, but without the hassles, without the expense, and without the emissions. And by the way, with no emissions, you can use it indoors like we're doing today. Another thing we're talking about is that we do have 3 different systems. We have our 18-volt system, our 40-volt max XGT system, and the Connects battery system, which I'm wearing on my back here. But these systems are not islands. With this adapter, for example, you can use the high capacity, the long runtime of the ConnectX battery, which is right here, and you can actually, through an adapter cable, connect this to an XGT string trimmer, an XGT hedge trimmer, an XGT blower, and you're getting that much more runtime to get you through your workday.